Welcome back to See My Review, your go-to spot for unboxing the most exclusive and stylish products out there. Today, I've got something seriously luxurious to show you. We're unboxing the Louis Vuitton LV skate sneaker in beige white. Just look at this packaging. It's classic LV, sleek and premium. Let's open it up and check out what's inside. And here it is, the Louis Vuitton skate sneaker. This pair is an absolute blend of street style and luxury. The beige and white color combo is clean, fresh, and super versatile. You can instantly tell it's crafted with precision. The leather feels soft yet durable, and the detailing is exactly what you'd expect from Louis Vuitton. Flawless. What I love most about these sneakers is how effortlessly they blend a laid-back, skater vibe with the sophistication of high-end fashion. Whether you're hitting the streets or heading out for a stylish evening, these sneakers fit the look. That if you're a sneakerhead or fashion lover, always on the hunt for high-quality kicks without breaking the bank, let me put you on to sneakerwade.ru, a go-to destination that's been making serious waves in the sneaker community. This site is packed with an impressive range of sneakers, from the latest limited edition drops and classic Jordans to Yeezys and designer collabs, all crafted with top-tier quality and close attention to detail. But what really sets SneakerWade apart is its commitment to authenticity and customer satisfaction. Every pair is carefully inspected to ensure you're getting the real deal. No fakes, no fuss. Beyond the product lineup, their customer-friendly policies are a game changer. They offer pretty affordable prices that won't leave your wallet crying, plus cunning secure payment methods to give you peace of mind when checking out. Shipping? It's fast and reliable, with tracking provided so you're never left wondering where your order is. And if you ever have a question or need help, they're responsive and friendly customer service. Team is just a message away. Whether you're building your dream sneaker rotation or adding a stylish edge to your wardrobe, sneakerwade.ru delivers both value and vibe. Trust me, this is a site worth bookmarking, especially if you love unboxing heat that turns heads the moment you step out. Neutral color palette makes them a match for pretty much any outfit, jeans, joggers, or even something more tailored. Let's talk materials, because LV doesn't play around. The upper is crafted from premium leather, and you can feel the difference as soon as you touch it. The inside lining is soft, giving you all-day comfort without compromising on style. These shoes aren't just about looks, they're made to last. The design of this sneaker is a nod to skate culture, but in a way only Louis Vuitton could pull off. It's cool, relaxed, and functional, yet every stitch speaks luxury. It captures the rebellious essence of skateboarding and wraps it in a designer package. Don't forget, the sale won't last forever, and these sneakers are flying off the shelves. So hit that link in the description, check out the site, and grab your pair while you still can. Trust me, your sneaker game will thank you.